Yeah. Hey, Shug. I come real quick. You're so sweet. Excuse me, mama, you're sick. Sweeter than a Hershey kiss. Come be my dessert, miss. I put my spoon in your dip. Ooh, we got one night only. Hope you brought some Jolly Ranchers for me. Then she told me,
I don't even know it.
but girl, I got a Snicker for you. Here.
You're in front of me. I just can't believe. Oh, you're tempting me.
Oh, 'cause you're so sweet.
It's been too long. Oh, it feels so wrong. Danger, danger. Candy from a stranger. Sugar coated. I got it and you know it. All of the pieces they fit. Mama told me to. Candy from strangers. Candy from strangers.
Shorty have a bite, I will fill your appetite. I know your mom said not to, but I'll change your life after tonight. Bet you never tried it, and I guarantee you'll like it. And I know you can't resist it, so don't fight it. Don't fight, come give it to me.
What's in front of me? I just can't believe. Oh, you're tempting me.
Oh, 'cause you're so sweet.
It's been too long. Oh, it feels so wrong. Danger, danger. Candy from a stranger. Need the sugar coated. I got it and you know it. All of the pieces they fit. Mama told me to. Candy from strangers. Candy from strangers. Candy from a stranger.
Come get some. Like that. Don't be scared, don't be scared. Nah. Come get some. Like that. Don't be scared, don't be scared. Mama used to tell me don't take candy from a stranger. But girl, you look so sweet, you got me reaching with my finger. She said, don't take candy from a stranger. Candy from a stranger. Candy from a stranger, stranger.
What's in front of me? I just can't believe. Oh, you're tempting me.
Oh, 'cause you're so sweet.
It's been too long. Oh, it feels so wrong. Danger, danger. Candy from a stranger. Need the sugar coated. I got it and you know it. All of the pieces they fit. Mama told me to. Candy from strangers. Candy from strangers. Candy from a no need to sugar coated. I got it and you know it. All of the pieces they fit. Mama told me to. Candy from strangers. Candy from strangers. Candy from a stranger.
You were a problem child, been grounded your whole life, so now you run wild. Playing with them good girls, no, that ain't your style. You think you're hot shit, and ooh, I love it, yeah, yeah.